Hello beautiful people, welcome back. If you're new here, please take a moment to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So in today's tutorial I have decided to recreate this Anushka Sharma inspired makeup look. But before that, please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So I've already moisturized my skin and you can see some blemishes. So here I'm going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This is an amazing setting spray if you're looking for a good one. And I realized that whenever I use this setting spray, it makes my makeup last longer. So next I'll be using this conceal and corrector palette from NYX Cosmetics, and I'll be using the orange corrector to correct any kind of dark circles, blemishes or pimple spots. So I will highly recommend to correct your face if you feel that there are some dark circles, blemishes. So it will really help whenever you apply concealer on top of that. So here I'm just using my fingers and dabbing that corrector onto my skin and just blending it with my fingers right away. And definitely you will see the result when I'll apply the concealer on top of it. It will reduce all the dark spots and redness on my skin. Next I'll be using my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the shade Butter Pecan and will apply it with my Damn Beauty blender. So guys, if you're looking for a full coverage and long lasting foundation, I will highly recommend this one. This is a very good and smooth foundation and you just need 1 to 2 pumps and that's it. It will cover your whole face and neck. So here I am just doing my base with a Damn Beauty sponge. And I just need some extra time to always do my base, because if your base is not right, then your makeup is not going to look flawless. So please spend some extra time doing your base. And you have to make sure that you are taking your foundation to your neckline, and you can see the difference, how flawless my skin is looking. It's a very important step to hydrate your lips while you do your makeup. Next I am going to use my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. And guys, if you're looking for a full coverage foundation, I'll highly recommend this one. And I'll apply that concealer on my usual areas, under my eyes, bridge of the nose, forehead, around my mouth, and some more on my pimple area. So here I'm using my small beauty blender from Real Techniques and then blend my concealer. So whatever I'm using in this tutorial, I'll link all the products in the description box below. Please do check that out. So here you can see the difference, how good that concealer was, and it covered all my dark circles and blemishes. Next I'm going to use my favorite product from Benefit Cosmetics. It's the Precisely Goof Proof Pencil in the shade number 6, and I'm just giving some light strokes on my sparse areas and just filling that gaps. Here I'm just filling my brows and then brushing with this spoolie upwards, because it helps to evenly distribute the product. So today I'll be using my beautiful Tarts eyeshadow palette and will apply the lighter color on my whole eyelid. Next, I'll be using this beautiful dark brown shade and will apply it on my outer V just to give that smoky effect to my eyes.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies.
Next, I'll be taking my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette and will apply the light brown color on my crease of the eyelid just to intensify and give some depth and dimensions to my eyes.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
The same thing I'll do with my lower lashes and will try to connect it with my upper lashes. Next, I'm going to take the shade again and trying to intensifying the outer V of my eyelid.
Silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers, take me somewhere unfamiliar.
And here you have to go again and again till the time you're not happy with the eye look.
Get me out of now.
Next, I'm going to use my Maybelline Colossal Kajal and will apply it on my lower waterline and upper waterline. And here you need not to be very precise while applying the kajal, because any which way I'm going ahead and smudging that out and will give a smoky effect to my eyes. So next I'll be doing the same with my upper lash line and trying to recreate a winged eyeliner with the kajal. Next I'll be using this brush to smudge that kajal out and will try to give a winged liner effect.
Empty hearts and neon lights.
Next I am going to clean up my edges with the same LA Girl Pro HD concealer, and this will give your eyeshadow a neat and crisp look. Next I'll be taking the same blending brush and will just put all the things together so that there are no harsh lines popping through. I'm taking the kajal again and trying to create a eyeliner effect and will smudge that out. So next I'll be using this cute beautiful palette from Physicians Formula, and I'm applying the beautiful glitter on my whole eyelid, because you can see in the Anushka's picture that she had a very beautiful glitter all over her eyelid. So I'm trying to recreate that. Then I'm using the kajal again and making my eyeliner more intense. So the same eyeshadow I'm applying in my inner corner of the eyes to make it more white and awake. Next it's time to contour my face, and for that I'm using my favorite Too Faced dark chocolate bronzer, and you can use this bronzer as a contour also because there are no such rules. And this bronzer is so amazing that I can't stop using it. So this bronzer gives that perfect shadow effect to my face, and I'm just applying it on my usual areas. Next it's time to apply some blush. For that I'm using my MAC powder blush in the shade Peaches, and this is one of my favorite blush, and this gives a very natural and peachy effect to your cheeks. Next, it's time to highlight your face. For that, I'm using my Nika highlighter, and this is a very beautiful highlighter because it's not that kind of highlighter which has some chunks of glitter in that. It gives a very sheen look to your cheeks and nose. It just highlights your face very beautifully. And look at that glow. I can't stop using this. Next, it's time to apply some mascara. For that, I'm using my Rimmel Scandal Eyes mascara and applying some coats on my upper lashes and lower lashes. I think mascara is everything when it comes to your eye look. It just opens up your eye really well. Then it's time to apply my Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Icon, and this is a very beautiful shade. You can call it a pinky peaches shade, and it lasts forever. Trust me, Huda Beauty lipsticks are just awesome.
And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that
Next, I'm going to use another lipstick from Maybelline, and it's in the shade Fighter, and I'm trying to mix two color to achieve that perfect shade what Anushka is wearing in her Instagram picture. Then I'm going to set my makeup with my favorite setting spray from Urban Decay.
unfamiliar bring me back to where we started.
Then it's time to wear that beautiful silver earrings. I was not having that exact earring what Anushka was wearing.
To where we started.
Later on, I realized that I need some more highlighter on my skin, so I'm applying the same Nika highlighter on my usual areas. So yeah guys, that completes my look for today. And one thing you have to keep in mind while recreating any kind of celebrity look, that you need not to be perfect. If you want to go with dark lips, then go for it. If you want to go with light lips, then go for it, because ultimately it's all about you and your skin type, whatever suits you. So yeah guys, that's all for today. Hope you liked this video. If you did, then please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you in my next video.
Swim no more, I'm